Struggling with a new machine, inexperienced staff, or performance issues? Syntegon's training programs are designed to turn those challenges into strength. Outstanding machine performance starts with well-trained operators, and we are your partner in making that happen. Our programs onboard your team efficiently, build troubleshooting expertise, and ensure optimal performance from day one. Practical, targeted, and tailored to your operational needs.
Our training programs, available both digitally and hands-on at your machine, are developed to align with your day-to-day operations and the actual performance of your equipment. We are convinced that a practical approach combining classroom theory with practical exercises on the equipment that reflects real-life scenarios is the key to success. That's why this format is the most popular choice. Following the learning cycle approach, our experts provide clear information and guided practice, helping participants transfer their knowledge into real-world applications on the job. Furthermore, our training materials are available for on-site training courses specially aligned with your machine, enabling employees to develop their gained knowledge in practice and, of course, benefit from the practical tips that they can use in their daily work. After trainers demonstrate the key procedures and best practices, participants get hands-on experience by performing the tasks themselves. This practical approach ensures they don't just understand the theory, they can apply it with confidence and accuracy. Ultimately, this method contributes significantly to a high machine performance. For some of our machines, we also offer the option of conducting virtual training courses from our modern video studio, giving your team access to essential knowledge no matter where they are. To support the onboarding of new employees and ensure long-term knowledge retention, we provide tailored e-learning solutions. With dynamic interactive modules that gradually increase in complexity, our e-learning courses deliver the right content for every area of responsibility. In addition, our work instructions help you consolidate the knowledge that you have acquired. The work instructions offer you preventive support and ensure that you have the right instructions at your disposal when needed.
Faster startups and changeovers, fewer breakdowns, and safer operations, all leading to higher productivity and lower costs. Whether you're managing a single line or an entire facility, investing in targeted training means fewer disruptions and more consistent performance where it matters most, on the production floor. Invest in knowledge and watch your performance grow.